Roy. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
This is like the most minimalist, simplistic of everything, you know what I mean?
One, two, three.
So, we're going to CPH Village today, and we're meeting Katrine. She's a college student. When I was going to school, I racked up a huge bill, like $250,000. I had to tell her my story and see what her response is to mine is. You know, do they rack up any kind of debt when they leave?
I wonder, does the living condition of Danish students contribute to their happiness? You know, even when they start working in society.
I'm pumped. Let's go.
Did you write down all the questions?
I have them all up here, so we're in big trouble.
Konnichiwa. Oh, this is the postcard Denmark.
It looked like these little
House.
like storage places. They turned into.
They're made of containers.
That's it.
Wow.
Check that out. I think it's up here and to the right.
Hello, my name is Katrine. Nice to meet
Roy.
you.
Hi, pleasure to meet you.
Hi, Catherine. I'm Yaya.
Yaya, nice to meet you. Welcome to my little home.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is like the most minimalist, simplistic of everything, you know what I mean?
It's too new. I can't even phrase it.
Yeah.
Wow. This is a container. Who would have thunk it?
Yeah, exactly.
You'll sit in the middle. We'll just bombard you with
Yeah.
questions, 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 and questions.
So tell me about your childhood. How do you get a place like this?
You just need to be a student in Denmark, and then you can get offered a room like this.
So you're good here for the next whatever
Yeah,
years?
I can actually stay here as long as I'm a student.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's
Wow.
pretty awesome. Yeah, it's really, really nice out here. There's a lot of diversity and different people, cultures, and a lot of exchange students as well.
Do you pay for this, or does government pay? Who pays for this place?
All of the students in Denmark, they will get an amount around 5,000 something Danish crowns per month.
Any college students?
Yeah. Or all students, actually, if you're
Wow.
over 18 years.
Oh, okay, like any.
Any kind
Students,
of... Yeah,
okay.
students, yeah.
That's it, you just have to be a student.
Yeah, exactly. And how is it to be like a student in Chicago?
You get financial aid, but like I said, you declare that your parent or parents make under a certain income. If they make a little over, and then financial say, nope, you're on your own.
wow, yeah.
You know, or tell your parents to co-sign for your loan.
Yeah.
And like my friends, they have a son and a daughter, and they said, I love my kid. I'm not co-signing on any loan. Right now in the United States, we have an epidemic where students there are in debt, like hundreds of thousands of dollars in debt to loans. Yeah.
I think it's so interesting when Roy said privilege or obligation, and Kat totally just froze there, because to her, everything should be so fair, and everyone deserved the possibility. So to her, she really hasn't thought about, privilege, you know?
Right.
But to some people, to actually a lot of students who cannot afford, the high tuition or have a really crazy student loan, to them it's definitely, a privilege to be able to go to college.
Right.
And I think as a student, if you need to have that kind of a burden to begin with, I don't know if that affects happiness in the long run, or I don't know if that makes them more independent, or do we need that in order to be independent, So it's such a philosophical question. Yeah. But that's an interesting point that I noticed.
Really
Yeah.
interesting, yeah. I know you guys brought your swimwear to Denmark, so I thought about that we should actually go for a dip in the harbor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
You have fun? Yeah.
I'll hold the towels.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. So cold. One, two, three. Wow. Oh my God.
welcome.
Your towels.
Wow, good job.
Hold on, I'm waiting for I didn't have the power on the camera. Now let's do it again with the camera on.
Yeah, exactly.
Officially a Danish
Yeah.
with all the rights and privileges.
Yeah.
So I can enroll in
Yeah,
class
exactly.
now.
No, and the Texas. Actually, a lot of older people in Hong Kong, they swim in the
do
winter.
as well? Yeah.
Yes.
That's awesome.
It's like
But do they
in
swim
or-
in the harbor or?
in the sea.
sea,
Yeah, and then it's winter, they swim.
Yeah, awesome. And now we're gonna go down to the community house, and then we're gonna do some pancakes.
Roy, nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
I have been like here.
We were talking to Kat about how the government helps assist a student in their living expenses, because that's so not how it is in America, how it should be. But it sounds like that contributes to your well-being and their happiness and getting your education. That way you're not stressed out, right? I would think.
I can't imagine how it would be if there was like no financial aids from the government and there wasn't special housings only for students that are cheaper. So I think we're pretty lucky.
Yeah, we're lucky, yeah.
Just need to be reminded. So thank you.
Thank you guys for having us.
Yeah,
We're just so happy.
I totally envy this life. So.
And as a student, you could sit here, eat this, look at the beautiful view. To me, it's something that I cannot get over.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Thanks for having
Yeah, you're welcome. Always welcome.
I will come back.
That was very good.
It was so nice meeting Kat.
Oh, she's awesome.
I'm starting to understand why Danish people are so happy, because they were loved and supported as a student to begin with. And so, I'm starting to understand that may contribute to their happiness.
Oh, absolutely.